Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Rao underscore is my YouTube name, and in today's video I'm actually going to make something small for us to eat for breakfast. And what I'm gonna make, I'm gonna use some bread and bananas, eggs and milk. So let's join together and make the breakfast. So first thing, I need to get my gloves on. I need my gloves because I need to touch the bread, and sometimes it's good just to have this on, okay? So I'll also need my pan. So what I need the bananas. As I told you, I need bread. So first I'll get the bread. So I need the bread, and I need to remove the edges of the bread. I know people like the edge of the bread, but sometimes you have to remove them when you want to make something with the bread. It's actually my favorite part to eat. So just remove that. This cannot go to waste because I still have to use this one to make my breadcrumbs, so I'll keep them aside. So maybe I do like 2 or 3. Let me show you what I want to make with the bread. Okay, just like that. So after removing the edges, I'll do the same to all the bread, but I want to show you what I want to make. So I'll need this to make it thinner. Has to be very thin. So I've thinned the bread. Then I need some peanut butter to apply on the bread. Okay. The next thing, I did not prepare my eggs in advance, but I need the eggs. Just 2 eggs will do, and then I need some milk to put on the eggs. Just a little milk to add to that. Then I whisk this together. You can add some pepper, you can add some salt. It's obvious you have to add some salt for the egg to taste. You can add some black pepper or white pepper, whatever you want to put to your bread. It's okay. But as for me, I'm only adding, I only added the salt. That's all I needed. So that's done. So put this on the side. So back to my bread. I need a banana. Make sure you remove all the strings from the banana. Now this banana will go into 3 halves. This is the first half already. So I'll put it here, then I roll my bread like that. And I do the next one, do the same process. My bread is actually the small size of bread, that's why you see it's a bit not so large. Just like that. Okay, so these ones are ready. I'm gonna prepare these ones again. Pan is ready. Some oil on the pan. Then I dip this one in there. Somebody might ask me, what do we call this? For sure, I just know it's something I'm making, but I don't have names for them. I call it just bread with bananas. So that's the process. And then, so the first batch is ready. And that's how it looks like. Maybe I can just cut and give you a look, a show on how it looks like. So we have banana wrapped with the bread together, and that's what we prepare for breakfast today. So my breakfast is actually ready. You can see they're now golden brown. Just like that. This is what I've made for our breakfast today. Simple bananas with bread and eggs. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Rao_KE. Kindly consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.